It's saying low on fuel. That's fine. Okay. Stop here. I can take pictures, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right, cool. Day 3 or what day is it? Tuesday. It's a go. I've just finished jet ski. Jet ski was sick. Jet ski was sick. It was very interesting. No, I mean, it's just my first time in it, so yeah. Although, if I had the money, I'll do it again. Go tomorrow. Tomorrow is my last full day here, so I'll just do it tomorrow again in the morning. Yeah, but let me. What I wanted to say was, yeah, I want to do it again. I'm literally when I came back to the hotel, I searched up swimming lessons. I'm gonna learn how to swim. Once I learn how to swim, when I go out again, I don't know if I might be able to do it in Zambia. We'll see. We'll see if I can do it in Zambia. If I can do it in Zambia, that'd be good. I'll do it out in Zambia. Just like it'll help me build my confidence. Don't get me wrong. I have videos. I was calm, but yeah, I want to be better at jet skiing. I don't know if that's a thing. You can be better at jet skiing. I guess. I think you can. I'm sure you can. But yes, now I am going to Dubai Mall again because the first time I went, I was walking. If you've been to Dubai Mall, basically from the metro, there's a long walk. But as you're walking on the right, I'm seeing like cars come and park around, like almost like a valet service thing. And like, I didn't know how to get down there. So I wasn't even bothered by it. But then I realized this morning, most of the cars there, like get valeted, like supercars, hypercars and stuff like that. So that is where I'm going. Well, I'm going to Dubai Mall first, and then that's where I'm going. The stuff that I need to do, that I left to do, is buy dates from somewhere. I want to go back there in the night. I want to go to Old Dubai. Apparently it's called Old Dubai, if I'm correct. And then Old Dubai. What else do I need to do? I need to buy Condora, if that's how you pronounce it, Condora. And then if something else turns out, I might just do that. But tomorrow is my last full day, basically. So tomorrow, I don't think I'll take my camera. I won't take my Sony camera with me. I'll just take my GoPro with me. Just film when I go, I guess. But yeah, did I do the thing? You know, I'll give a recap towards the end of this. A short recap, maybe 2-3 minutes, not like an 8 to 10 minutes. But yeah, see you in Dubai Mall. Left my CPL, my ND filters, so that's great. So I'm probably gonna come back here tomorrow so I can film on my GoPro. I'll do my best on my phone with how much memory I have. But yeah. Where I'm at right now is a Harry's version of Dubai. It was where I was at on Monday, was Dubai Mall. And none of these shops were here. I mean, I didn't go in too deep. But let's see if this connects. Maybe this does connect to Dubai Mall. So I've realized there is a distinction between Dubai Mall and Fashion Avenue. Well, Mall, I guess. Maybe it's called Fashion Avenue and then / Dubai Mall. They're not separate. They're all in the same building. Yeah. So right now, I'm gonna do it again tomorrow. I'm gonna show it properly tomorrow. But now I'm basically the Dubai Mall side of things. I guess there's nothing wrong with this side. It's just you don't see you do see your everyday brands, I guess. D Square 2. That's the first time I've seen D Square 2 outside of London. You got your Cohen's. Yeah, I don't know what differentiates this part to the Fashion Avenue part, I guess. Got your Off-White store. Da Vinci. Yeah. Michael Lombard, I've never heard of that before. So I got me Charlie's Philly cheesesteak. I know this. I wanted to try out something that's not in London, so I was like, yeah. Philly cheesesteak soda. I was like, yeah, why not? Let's dig in. So literally, I'm trying to put this off. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Got a driver. Courtesy of Dan, waiting for me downstairs so we can shoot some stuff. Yeah, let's get it.
Now you make it on this side.
Oh, okay.
Open the window.
Oh, you could. Thank you. So what is this called? What is this called building?
This one is I showed you before at the front side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is the really beautiful and really top building for the UAE.
And people come to work here. Work. They come to work here.
What here?
Yeah. Or is it a hotel?
Hot here.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, it's a hotel, yeah.
Because the hotel is like some outside people is coming to stay here.
Trying to find my race, but the drums gon' find my pace. Trying to find times for the times I pray. You it. Feel like I'm looking for keys or something. Mama, tell me how to breathe for something. We never bleed for nothing. They never understand I speak for something. The only reason why I reach the button, cause I'm in beast mode. Flight check, baby, it's just heat throw. They never understand the reason why I'll just cut throat. See my cousin bird bath themselves. They never understand the pain that we had to see him free though. Free throw. Like Jordan in 96, trying to just find a way to balance the bricks. It's harder than what it is. Clutch work whenever we gotta go switch. Blameless.